friends, Mrs. Sharp here. I wanted to share one of my favorite poetry books with you. It is National Poetry Month, and I thought what better way to celebrate than to combine poems with our theme this week, which is reptiles and amphibians. So I found this book called The Frogs and Toads All Sang. It's a collection of poems by Arnold Lobel. I thought we could read it together and you can listen for the rhymes. Do you remember what a rhyme is? A rhyme is when two words sound the same at the end of the word. Okay, not at the beginning, but at the end of the word. So you listen. If you hear two words that sound the same at the end, those might be a rhyme. Let's read and find some. The first poem I'm going to read you is called Pollywog School. So I'll read the poem one time and then we'll try to find the rhymes. Underneath the lily pads, where the mud is cool, many little pollywogs swim their way to school. We go to class each day, said one, and all we do is wiggle. We do not read, we do not write, we only squirm and giggle. Did you hear some rhymes, boys and girls? Let's see if we can find one in the first line. Underneath the lily pads, where the mud is cool, many little pollywogs swim their way to school. Did you hear a word that sounded the same at the end? Where the mud is cool, swim their way to school. Aha, cool and school rhyme. Excellent. Let's see if there's another one. We go to class each day, said one, and all we do is wiggle. We do not read, we do not write, we only squirm and giggle. Did you hear the rhyme? All we do is wiggle. We only squirm and giggle. Wiggle, giggle. They rhyme. They have the same ending sound. Great job, everyone. Let's try another one. This one is called Made for Toads. It's about toads and frogs. A sunny day is made for toads to play and leap down dusty roads. A rainy day is made for frogs to swim in swamps and under logs. In weather gray or weather bright, for some the day will be just right. Oh, I love that poem because whether it's sunny or rainy, somebody's going to be happy. Let's find those rhymes. A sunny day is made for toads to play and leap down dusty roads. Is made for toads down dusty roads? Yes, toads and roads rhyme. They have the same ending sound. And how about on the rainy day side? Rainy day is made for frogs to swim in swamps and under logs. Made for frogs under logs. Frogs and logs rhyme. Good job. Last verse. In weather gray or weather bright, for some the day will be just right. Did you hear two words that sound the same? Of weather bright will be just right? You got it. Bright and right, they rhyme. All right, last poem, boys and girls. You're doing such a great job. This one is super silly. It's called The Frogs and Toads All Sang. We're going to have a party, the frogs and toads all sang. We've got lemonade with ice cubes and paper lamps to hang. The ladies wore long dresses and the gentlemen wore pants. The orchestra was ready, so they all began to dance. They danced in the meadow, they danced in the street. They danced in the lemonade just to cool their feet. Wow, I heard a couple rhymes there, boys and girls. Did you catch any? Let's see. The frogs and toads all sang, and then they had paper lamps to hang. Sang, hang. They sound the same, they rhyme. Great job. Let's find another rhyme. The ladies wore long dresses and the gentlemen wore pants. The orchestra was ready, so they all began to dance. The gentlemen wore pants, so they all began to dance. Pants, dance, they sound the same. They rhyme. Great job. There's one last rhyme to find, though. You ready? They danced in the meadow. They danced in the street. They danced in the lemonade just to cool their feet. I heard it. They danced in the street just to cool their feet. Street and feet. They rhyme. Boys and girls, you helped me find all the rhymes in these poems about our friendly amphibians, frogs and toads. See if you can find rhymes in some of your favorite storybooks. See you next time, boys and girls.